What's up, guys? So just a quick sort of video going over a bit of my market, sort of my market analysis and my bias going in for today, and you can just kind of get an idea, hopefully, of how I set my levels out on the charts and how I'm looking to trade. So start off instantly, we're on the 4-hour high. I'm doing let's see these 4-hour highs that would look like we're just sitting above, if not already hit. We've got 4-hour lows here. Apart from that, not much else is hitting. We've got 4-hour lows, so we've got a few low resistance 4-hour highs here that maybe could look to get hit out. Obviously, if we come down and sweep out this 4-hour low, but on the 4-hour, that is pretty much all that I'm seeing in terms of imbalances and fair value gaps or order blocks. I'm seeing one here that's already been respected quite far down. Then we've also got a breaker block here. But do I think we'll come down and fill these? Absolutely not. I think I'm going to be pretty bullish. Looking at this, obviously we can see we have on the 4 we have strong bull breakout. We have a bit of chop here, as you can see. Maybe whip out the trend lines. Strong breakout here. Little bet bullish channel, even though I don't use the ascending trend lines. Then we kind of chop, so I think we'll sweep out liquidity, this 4 liquidity, and then continue up on the 1 hour. Again, just going to mark out my key levels that I think will get hit today. I've got 1 hour, not what I meant to do, 1 hour low sitting here, and another hour low, so any of these to get taken out, and I'll be looking pretty aggressive to go long here. I mean, I think longs for the day are looking pretty fucking nice. In terms of what else we really have, not much. In terms of this, we have a bearish sign. We inverse this fair value gap here, possibly create a little BPR within here. Yeah, it looks like we'll create a BPR. This bullish fair value gap, which can be a price target, absolutely. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at. Maybe coming down, taking out these lows, and then going up. Or if as market opens, we get a lot of buying pressure. These highs up here aren't far away. Obviously, we can see if price opened at this point, we're looking at 0.11. Here we're looking at 0.14. So the easiest liquidity draw to take out is these, and then we can go and try and target these highs here, these relative equal highs, which are a big banner for price. There we go. Equal highs there. So that's what I'm kind of looking at for today. And if we've got the 15-minute, maybe just trying to get an order block, a fair value gap confluence within there. Obviously we came right down to these lows. Kind of happy that we didn't sweep them out, because that would have disregarded them for today's trading day. In terms of what we can see on the 15-minute, not much, no order blocks, no fair value gaps. So it's kind of my market analysis done for GBP JPY. Probably going to look to come down and take out these lows and then go long. If not, we push past this fair value gap, take out them highs and come down. So that's kind of what I'm looking at on GBP JPY. And I will switch over to gold. I hope this is helpful, guys. Any sort of improvements that you want to see, just let me know in the comments. Anything you'd like me to see me do better, anything you think could improve my trading, obviously just let me know. The gold is a little bit different because we are super extended from these range lows to these highs here. Very extended. You can see the volume's kind of dropped off in the late stages of yesterday. Nonetheless, we'll still mark out our levels. We've got a 4-hour high sitting up here. It just means that if we're going to short, we've got a lot of price targets to look for. A lot of price targets that we can kind of search for. Lows here. So look at that. We've got a lot of price as well as equilibrium. We've got a fair value gap sitting within here. Pretty thin one, but nonetheless a fair value gap. And we've also got a bit of an order block here. A breaker block, rather, if you would prefer. I guess you could call it, sort of, say this, a leg down before the sweep. This is sort of considered an order block. So we've got that in here, as well as some liquidity, which is resting above the equilibrium. So shorts are looking very good for today, just to kind of balance out price action. As you can see, these last hours kind of just been sort of choppy. I like to say we've kind of, oh my god, ascending triangle, it's gonna break out. Nah, if we were one of them traders, we'd be creaming in our pants right now. But we know how to trade the markets, so we're going to stay cool, calm and collected, and we know we're going to take shots, because it's too good of an opportunity to pass up. I think we'll fully come down and hit equilibrium. Is that a high? No, low down here. If this candle here can create a high, so we have a high here, that's ideal, because price only has to come up. We can take out all of this liquidity if we wanted to. Realistically, I'll be down for us to open, take out all this liquidity, and then go down. We enter here, around there, stops at a random 5 hour gap, and then take profit is just fucking lethal. Anywhere we fucking want, boys. Equilibrium, 5 hour gap, 4 hour high, low even, any fucking way, boys. That's looking gorgeous for some short setups right now. And I'm liking how that's looking. Let me see where I move this from. Here. Let's remark that on there. Yeah, shorts are looking lethal on gold today, boys, I'm not gonna lie. If we however do want to rally, then I'm not against that. I mean, we can see how we react off these highs, but I'd be a bit cautious as we are coming through so many highs. If we want to keep rallying, then we just have to be careful. Maybe guys, I risk to maybe not take a trade on gold. We'll go back to JPYG so I can quickly talk about that. Here, I'm looking at, and I will be looking for longs. If we can get a rejection of this survival gap, come down, take out these highs, then we target. If not, and we push past these highs without rejection, I'm happy to go long and target some next liquidity. So on the 15, 5 might give us different. We kind of got sort of a massive order block within here, like a massive just strip of filled orders, and that's pretty much it. So we just have to kind of a waiting game today. Maybe it might not happen instantly, but I think nonetheless we will still get some reactions, but we just kind of got to wait. Today's going to be maybe a longer trading day, a bit of a waiting day to see what gets hit. But yeah, it's kind of my thoughts going into the market. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.